Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Sweet Heavenly Dove, and I have a DIY for you. It's called a money holder or a lip balm holder. I guess they go either way. Some people say money holders, some people say lip balm holders. Well, I'm gonna call my lipstick holder. And the reason why I am using a lipstick box die. I got this from AliExpress. So I'm gonna make it a little money holder, the lipstick box. And the paper I'm using is, I got this from Michael's last year. I know it says 2021, but it still has plenty of pages that you can use and doesn't have the date on there. So it's like this. I mean, you can use this, that, those. And what I really like in the back, glitter, silver, and silver glitter. So you can use those anytime. This kind of like is vellum. I guess I could use the boxing vellum, but I chose not to. I wanted something a little bit stronger. And here's some more vellum, even though it's dated, but if you want to cut certain parts out. So it's totally up to you. I think this was 75% off when I purchased this because it was after graduation. Also, oops, sorry about the noise. I got this Tuesday morning, probably like 2 or 3 years ago. It's a big pack. It's long. It's 12 by 24 acetate, and it's the gold dots. And it was only $4.99, and I needed some acetate, and this was it. It'll probably take me a few more years before I can finish all of this. So let's get started. I pre-cut things out to make it go quicker. On here, I used a black cardstock. It's fairly thin. And I glued it onto the cardstock just to make it a little bit more sturdy. And I decided to use this Follow Your Dreams to put on here. And this is, how the white part goes in the back. And this is the lipstick box. So we're going to tape it together and put it on here and use it. So let's get started. I will start with, oops, let's put tape on. I know I didn't use the whole box. I just used the, yeah, I know. Should have got a different tape because, oh well, we're gonna do this tear and tape. I don't know if this tear and tape is gonna be strong enough, but we'll see. A little patience with me because, let's see, pull that in. That goes. Okay, this is whatever side you want. So we'll put tape on here. Because that's going to go there. So let's put some. Tape. let's try it. We'll try it together. Oops, that's a little too tight. Some tape on here. Really? Mm. Then put this one down. Where's oh. So that goes like that. Okay. I thought the tape would be a little bit more translucent. Yeah. Give it a second. And let's put the hole in the middle. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is 4x6. And oops, the 0 was in the center. About right here. I'm going to use a hole punch. And then the die came with the little hole punch thing. And I did a double-sided tape just to give it a little different. Move it over just slightly. A little different look. And I wanted to round my edges. A chamfer, crocodile corner, rounder. We'll do the on all four. Give it a more polished look. I meant to put that in. This goes down here. Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to stay in focus. That is still fit there. Glue this. Oops. Here we go. Put it right underneath. All your dreams. And I guess I should have double side tape on this side. So like, I don't know what's wrong with this tape. Because we all have off moments. Varnish it. Make sure. Cut off the excess. And then put this side down. Okay. You can use something to roll it up. Ah. Put it in there. It fits. There. Oops. And if you want to seal up, you can always put a glue dot. I know you can fold it up a little neater. But there you have it. Just a little different take on the money holder, lip balm holder, whatever you want to call it. You can decorate it more, but this is simple because there's plenty of DIYs out there how to do this. And I just show you my little take on this simple. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Toodaloo.